Hey, happy 4th of July to you. It is the 4th of July. Thought I'd go and film some commercialized 4th of July stuff. Chose not to do that. What I did decide to do is go out and find myself a 4th of July geocache. I'm at least going to get one geocache today, because what's better to do on a 4th of July? Get a geocache. Beautiful weather, a little cloudy, not too hot, it's not raining. Perfect. So, before I head down the trail to get my geocache, I better make sure I have my pen. Let's see. Oh! Yep, got my pen, but not that pen. I want this pen. Well, onward we go. Alright, got a question for you. What do you do on your 4th of July? Well, me, besides going geocaching, I go to my in-laws' house. We go have a barbecue and do fireworks. Well, okay, used to do fireworks. Now the fireworks are banned in our community, so we'll do pop-its with the kids. Does that sound like a lot of fun? Barbecue does, for sure. But besides barbecue and fireworks, I guess it's about celebrating, no, I don't guess, it is. It's about celebrating the birth of country, of the United States of America. It's a cool thing. I like living here. I like the environment too. Man, this spot is amazing. So, fireworks. It's a debate around our area. People want them, people don't want them. They want to reduce them, get rid of them, have no more fireworks. What about your area? Do they allow fireworks in your neck of the woods, or your city, or wherever you are? And Canada, do you guys celebrate your independence with fireworks? Just a question, curious. Oh my gosh. Okay, been down this trail a million times. Again, I discovered something new. I did not know there was a waterfall on this trail. Check this out. Just when you think you've seen everything on this trail, something new pops up. Oh, this is kind of cool. A new sign. Love it when they put up educational stuff. Thought I heard something. Bigfoot. Okay, so now I'm in the area where a geocache is. Now I just gotta track it down. Looks like, oh, it's kind of back over east of me a little bit, so I'm gonna cruise back over here and see if I can track this geocache down. Ooh, I got distracted by this brand new bench. It's a lovely one too. Great views out over the river and the wetlands here. Nothing better than this. It'd be nice to bring a picnic lunch here. Alright, I gotta wait out some muggles so I can get to this cache, and while I'm waiting for these muggles, hey, watch this montage I'll put in of all of the hidden creatures that I found. Holy cow, you guys. Well, there it is. There's a geocache. It was in this spot here. It was a toughie. I could not locate it. Anyway, what I want to say is this. Thank you for watching. Have yourself a great 4th of July. And don't forget, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I will see you guys in another video.